What's up, I'm Troubleshoot. In this quick guide, I'll be showing you how to fix a super annoying issue with Black Ops 6 now that the early access and open beta has released, as if you're unlucky enough like me to get this error, it's impossible to solve unless you know one particular trick. If when you're starting the game, be it the Call of Duty launcher or the actual Black Ops 6 game, after clicking Black Ops 6 in the main launcher, you find that you're getting this error over here, well, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it. 1338N or something along those lines. Usually similar errors to this have a similar solution. If you're running an Intel platform CPU, like I am, and it happens to be a relatively new one, like I am, I'm running the Intel i9-13900K. By default, this thing clocks to around 5.5 GHz, and in order to play this game, I need to underclock it to be about anything under 5 GHz. So, in order to fix this, in the description down below, you'll find a link to the Intel Extreme Overclocking tool, or tuning utility, which allows you to customize the performance core ratio for your CPU. We can manually lower the performance here by dropping the performance core ratio to anything under 50, apply, and things seem to work properly. Or at least in my case and a lot of other users' cases. By default, it's 55x, meaning 5.5 GHz for me, but of course your number will likely be different. Lowering it by just 1 or 2, so in my case from 55 to 54 or 53 may work, but I've had to drop it below 50 in order to get this game working 100% reliably, or at least starting reliably. It's a super annoying issue, especially because it's been around for so long. Since Modern Warfare 2's remake, I made a video how to solve this. 3 was the same. Cold War, I'm pretty sure, was the same. This issue has just been going and going, and this is unfortunately the only real solution to the 1338N error that so many people are getting. If you're running a AMD CPU, rather, you'll need to change settings in your BIOS in order to just start the game. In order to do so, you'll need to enter your BIOS options and search for something called Core Performance Boost. If you have this option available in your BIOS, make sure to turn it off, restart your PC, and hopefully this issue should be fixed. If this doesn't help you when you lower your clock ratio, reboot your PC, and reopen this Intel XTU program, then there's one more step that we can try in order to fix this and other possible errors. We'll go ahead and delete the configuration files for the game that it's just created on our system. Open up a new file browser, head across to Documents, and then inside of here, you're searching for Call of Duty. Inside of the Call of Duty folder here, you'll find Players, and inside of it, configuration files for all of the different games. All of these ones with COD 23 are for Modern Warfare 3, and everything with COD 24 is Black Ops 6. So we can either delete all of these COD 24 files, or we can just rename the entire Players folder in Documents Call of Duty to reset our options for the game. Fire into the main launcher, click Black Ops 6, and hopefully you can actually get to the main menu of Black Ops 6. Anyways, it's a super annoying issue. Activision, you have enough money, you have enough time, fix this error. It's been years. My name's been Troubleshoot. Thank you for watching. I'll see you all next time. Ciao.